Hello everyone, this is Dr. Deepa from Jamal Madhu College. Now let us continue with the remaining important functions of the RBI. These functions show that RBI plays a key role in protecting customers, maintaining financial stability, ensuring smooth payments, and supporting economic development. We will discuss one by one in elaborately. The seventh important function of RBI is consumer protection. RBI protects the interest of bank customers and ensures that banking services are fair, transparent, and safe. There are five important measures. First one, transparency in charges. RBI instruct banks to clearly disclose interest rates, fees, and service charges so customers are not misled. Second one, grievance redressal. If customers have complaints against bank, the RBI integrated ombudsman scheme it provides a mechanism for resolving eligible complaints. Third one, prevention of unfair practices. RBI takes regulatory action against unfair practices such as hidden charges, mis-selling of financial products, and poor service. Fourth one, protection against frauds. RBI creates awareness and issues guidelines to protect customers from frauds such as phishing, OTP scams, and card related frauds. Fifth one, customer education. RBI conducts awareness programs to educate customers about safe banking, digital payments, and their rights. The main purpose of consumer protection is to build trust in the banking system, ensure fair treatment, and protect customers from fraud and exploitation. The eighth important function of RBI is financial stability. Financial stability means maintaining a strong and stable financial system where banks, financial markets, and payment system function smoothly. RBI performs this function in five major ways. First one is RBI ensures a sound banking system by setting rules and standards for banks to maintain adequate capital reserves and liquidity. Second one is RBI monitors and supervises banks to identify financial problems and risk at an early stage. Third, RBI maintains liquidity in the economy. This means ensuring that sufficient money is available in the banking system so that banks can meet the needs of customers and business. Fourth one, RBI reduces financial risk such as bad loans or NPAs, market risk, and credit risk. Finally, RBI builds confidence in the financial system where the banking system is stable. Depositors, investors, and businesses have greater confidence to save, invest, and conduct business. The main purpose of financial stability is to protect depositors' money, prevent banking problems, and support sustainable economic growth. Ninth important function of RBI is payment and settlement system, which means RBI develops, operates, and regulates safe, efficient, and reliable payment systems in India. These systems help transfer money smoothly between individuals, businesses, and banks. There are five important functions. First one, it enables smooth payments by facilitating quick and easy transfer of money. Second, it ensures safety and security by setting standards and guidelines for secure digital payments. Third, it clears and settles transactions between banks and financial institutions. Fourth, it promotes efficiency by reducing the time, cost, and errors involved in cash and paper based transactions. Fifth one, it supports economic growth because efficient payment systems encourage trade, business, and commerce. Some important examples are NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI, AEPS, and check truncation system or CTS. For example, UPI allows us to transfer money instantly using our mobile phones, while NEFT and RTGS are used for bank to bank fund transfers. So, RBI payment functions ensures that money moves safely, quickly, and efficiently throughout the economy. The 10th important function of RBI is data collection and publication. RBI collects, compiles, and analyzes financial and economic data from banks, financial institutions, government departments, and other sources. First, RBI collects data from different sources to understand the financial and economic situation of the country. Next, RBI analyzes the data to identify economic trends, financial stability, and monetary conditions. Third, RBI publishes the data through various reports, bulletins, and statistical publications. Some important publications include the RBI Annual Report, Financial Stability Report, RBI Bulletin, Database on Indian Economy, and Handbook of Statistics on the Indian Economy. Fourth one, this information is useful for decision making. The government, business, researchers, and investors can use this data for planning and forecasting. Finally, publication of accurate and timely data promotes transparency and accountability in the financial system. So, the main purpose of this function is to provide reliable economic information for better policy decisions, research, business planning, and financial stability. The 11th important function of RBI is lender of last resort. A lender of last resort means that RBI provides financial assistance to commercial banks when they face a temporary shortage of funds or liquidity and cannot obtain sufficient funds from other sources. First, RBI provides liquidity. It gives funds to banks facing temporary cash shortage so that they can meet the need of their customers. Second, it helps prevent bank failure. Timely financial support can prevent a temporary liquidity problem from becoming a serious banking crisis. Third, it maintains financial stability. RBI supports helps maintain confidence in the banking system and the economy. Fourth, it protects depositors' interest. When banks receive timely support, they can continue their operations and protect depositors' money. Fifth, it ensures smooth banking operations. Banks can continue their normal activities without disruption. For example, if a bank suddenly faces heavy withdrawals and does not have enough liquid funds, RBI can provide financial assistance to help the bank meet its immediate obligations. Therefore, the lender of last resort function prevents panic, protects depositor, and strengthens confidence in the banking system. The 12th and final important function of RBI is research and economic development. RBI conduct research and analysis on various economic and financial issues and uses this knowledge to support the development of the Indian economy. First, RBI conducts research on areas such as inflation, monetary policy, banking, financial markets, and economic growth. Second, RBI analyzes economic conditions by studying data and trends to understand the condition of the Indian economy and financial system. Third, RBI publish reports and studies such as a research paper, bulletins, and various statistical publications. These provide useful information to researchers, policymakers, and other stakeholders. Fourth, this research supports policy making. The findings help RBI and the government formulate better economic and monetary policies. Fifth, RBI promotes economic development through research and initiatives related to financial inclusion, digital payments, rural finance, and sustainable development. For example, RBI studies inflation, digital payments like UBI, financial stability, and rural credit to understand their impact on the economy. So, the main purpose of this function is to support better policy decision, economic stability, innovation, and inclusive growth. With this, I have come to the end of my presentation on the functions of the Reserve Bank of India. Though these 12 functions, now you can understand that RBI plays a vital role in maintaining monetary and financial stability, regulating banks, protecting customers, ensuring smooth payment system, and supporting economic development. I have referred mainly to the Reserve Bank of India's official publications and reports, along with standard textbooks on money, banking, and the Indian financial system. Thank you all. With this, I have come to the end of my presentation on the functions of the Reserve Bank of India. Though these 12 functions, now you can understand that RBI plays a vital role in maintaining monetary and financial stability, regulating banks, protecting customers, ensuring smooth payment system, and supporting economic development. I have referred mainly to the Reserve Bank of India's official publications and reports, along with standard textbooks on money, banking, and the Indian financial system. Thank you all.